Morning, the former Austin police detective charged with shooting and killing a man will hear the facts in his case argued before a federal judge.
And this is a hearing that's going to center on whether Charles Kleinert has grounds to keep the case at the federal level, which is what he wants, rather than returning it to the district court, which is what the family of the victim want. Kate Whitehaw is joining us live to explain why, though, some argue this case should be moved. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, really, there are two reasons why Kleinert and his attorney want it moved to federal court. One, they have a broader jury pool to pull from than just Travis County. But also, second, and probably more importantly, the defense he can use. You might remember on the day that Kleinert is charged with shooting and killing Larry Jackson Jr., in addition to working for APD, he was also on an FBI task force. So at the federal level, Kleinert's attorney, Randy Levitt, can argue that federal agents can be subject to immunity from criminal prosecution while carrying out their law enforcement duties. Attorneys for the Travis County DA's office argue that neither state nor federal law protects a police officer for what they describe as reckless behavior. In July of 2013, Kleinert was a detective investigating a bank robbery when police say he chased down Jackson, struggled with him, and shot him. Kleinert is facing a manslaughter charge for which he has entered a not guilty plea. Attorneys are closely watching this case since this type of defense is rare.
This is really a question of law. What law should apply and which court should it be in? And that's why it's just before a judge right now and not a jury.
And the judge in this case does have the opportunity to rule whether this case is going to stay at the federal level or move back to district court. The evidentiary hearing is expected to last about a day and a half. And of course, we'll keep you posted on what happens. Now we're live outside the federal courthouse. Kate Whitehaw, KXAN News.
Kate,